Good noon, friends. I have some goodies. I'm excited. So I did some Amazon shopping, as us crafters do, and I got a resin bezel kit, is what it's called, I believe. And it came with all of these different bezels. I'll go ahead and grab one of each out. And it also came with the tape that you use. I'm about to sneeze. Oh. Okay. Bless you, child. And it came with the tape that you use, that you put on the bezels to keep them down for when you're pouring your resin so the resin doesn't go under. So here's what it looks like, or they look like. So these two rings, they appear to be the same size, but they're different thicknesses. Can I get you to focus, camera? There we go. So you can see this one is much thinner than this one. So it came with those, and then this is the tape that you put down, put your bezels on, put the resin in. With that, I bought some measuring spoons, and you're probably like, Megan, what are you baking in here? Is this a baking channel now? No, this is not a baking channel. This is a Megan Being Smart channel. My thought was, these are easy to clean, and I don't need, you know, 50 milliliters or 100 milliliters of resin to do these. So I figured if I could do like 1 tablespoon of resin and then 2 of the half tablespoons of hardener into one of these little itty bitty cups that Total Boat sent me, I won't be using or wasting a bunch of resin when I'm making these. So that's the plan. I'm going to get my resin warmed up, get this measured out, get these laid up, and we shall get started. Hang tight. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Okay guys, while the resin is warming up, I actually wanted to talk to you about what I plan to do with these. So I pulled a few things. You can't even see some of them because they're all the way over here, but I've got some flowers. They're so delicate. These are dried flowers. So I have those. I've pulled some metal gears. Let me turn you in closer now that you can see kind of what I'm doing. There we go. These are tear-shaped water droplets from Cat Scrappiness. So they look like that. So I pulled those. And then I'm also going to do some alcohol inks. So I've got green, pink, peacock blue, and a purple pulled out here. So that's the plan. I'm just gonna, you know, mix up my resin, speed this up. You'll see all of the pouring and everything, and we'll take it from there. Hang tight. Alright friends, here's a close-up look of how they look right now, and I think they look great. I may have over poured a couple of them before putting the stuff in, but hopefully they turn out great. We're gonna let these sit for 24 hours as usual, let them cure on up, and we'll be right back to take them off the tape. Hang tight. Alrighty, let's see how these turned out. So here's the first one. I think it turned out great. Oh, I'm so excited! Okay. Oh, wow. I can see the back of it already. Okay. So I'll show you this side. But then, can you guys see how cool that is? Oh. It's like a petri. So it's actually called a petri dish. Style of resin, so it looks like a petri dish. It's really, really cool technique that I still have yet to master, but I'm getting closer. Okay. It's very pretty. That's the back. Oh, these are so cool. This tape, by the way, did a really good job. There's been nary a leak. So this is cool. And you know what? Even though it has a couple of bubbles in it, I actually don't mind those. I think they kind of add to the steampunk look of this. Alright, so these last two are also petri dish style. Okay. Come on. There we go. Wow. Wow. That is so cool looking. Almost reminds me of an octopus. Huh. Very cool. And last one. Now this one I got some spillover, but it just comes right off. Easy peasy. You couldn't see any of that because it was out of focus. Oh, wow. Wow. So this is the one that I put those little clear, the tear-shaped droplets into. I was curious as to what kind of effect it would have. So you can see some of them there and there. Like right up there. Wow, that's very interesting. Actually, for this side, I'm not sure which side I like better. Actually, for all of these, I'm not sure which side I like better for these ones, you know? Because these are really, really pretty looking, too. So, I I don't know. For these, what I would probably do is do another like top coat onto them, a doming, I should say, on these. But other than that, I really love how they turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I just think they're so cool, especially these Petrie ones. I might have to give this technique another try because I've tried it several times and it never seems to work for me. Maybe I'm swirling it too soon or something. I don't know. But anyway, that's today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you liked it, please like the video. And if you have something to say, say it down below. Thanks again, guys. Take care.